Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extend the duration of your videos in CapCut PC. So I have this video here that I want to extend. The first way is you can just what? Why is that still there? I swore I deleted it. Okay. You can either select the end of your video or wherever and freeze frame it, and you can extend that. But it's just going to be like one frame of like the same thing. You can also select your video here. Go to speed and select the slow, slide it to the left side to make it slower. Enable smooth slow motion and enable optical flow, and that way you extend your video duration. But those are just the two ways how you can kind of extend it. I know it's not like really extending it, but like it does extend the duration, but it won't really, the speed will be different, of course, and like the video will be a little bit different, but yeah, those are the two ways. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!